Hi everyone, my name is Lisa Brady and my field placement is at a cancer society. They treat people who have been diagnosed with cancer and their families, and they help them deal with their illness, and as well as help people whose loved ones have lost their lives to cancer. Um, they offer a wide variety of programs from support groups to different kinds of classes like Tai Chi and yoga. They have a journaling class. They have a caregiver support group. There's a lot of different areas where they offer a lot for everybody. What do I expect from field? I expect to learn a lot from the people there that work there. They're very enthusiastic and very experienced and very compassionate, and I'm really excited to be learning from them, and I hope to learn how to just see the different styles the facilitators use for grief, the support groups, and that kind of thing, and just to help these people and their families as much as I can in as many ways as I can. What has me most excited is that I will be learning and supporting those who are suffering from loss or the illness itself. I plan to be a bereavement counselor, so I feel like this is the perfect placement for me, and I'm really excited about it. What has me most concerned is how I'm going to balance everything with work, and I have a new job that I've only been at for like a month. And I've been also, with the internship, and I've got a couple other things on my plate as well. But I'm planning on being very organized. Hopefully that'll work out. And I'm also concerned, though, that the virtual thing is going to limit my learning. I won't be experiencing quite as much as I would if I were actually in the center, especially with things like Tai Chi and the yoga classes that they do and the walks and that type of thing. But they are talking about opening it up, so hopefully that will happen. My plan for managing my excitement and my concerns are to be very organized. Self-care is very important to me as well, so I plan on doing that. I also plan on asking a lot of questions, as well as keeping in good communication with both my field supervisor and um, my my field instructor and my site supervisor, because they're two different people. So it's I feel going to enrich my experience actually. So I look forward to being in class with everyone again, and let's go. Bye.